In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to file your unemployment taxes using TurboTax quickly and easily. If you received unemployment benefits during the tax year, it's important to report them correctly to avoid filing issues or delays with your refund. Let's get started step by step. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to the official TurboTax website. Once you arrive on the home page, look for the Sign In button near the top right corner of the screen. Click on it and log into your TurboTax account using your email and password. If you don't already have an account, you can create one by following the sign-up prompts. After signing in, you'll be taken to the TurboTax homepage. From there, click on the Federal section. This is where you'll enter your federal tax information, including income, deductions, and unemployment benefits. Next, navigate to Wages and Income. This section contains all the income categories you need to report for your tax return. Now, use the search bar and type in 1099G. The Form 1099G is the form typically used to report unemployment compensation issued by your state unemployment agency. Once the results appear, click on Unemployment and Paid Family Leave or the 1099G option. TurboTax will then guide you to the section where you can enter your unemployment information. Click Start or add Edit to begin. Now, take your Form 1099G and carefully enter the information exactly as it appears on the document. This usually includes your unemployment compensation amount, federal taxes withheld if applicable, state information, payer details. Be sure to double-check all numbers for accuracy before continuing. After entering your unemployment details, TurboTax may ask a few follow-up questions related to taxes withheld or additional income situations. Answer these prompts carefully to ensure your return is completed correctly. Depending on your tax situation, TurboTax may also recommend upgrading your plan if additional tax guidance or forms are required. Once everything is entered, continue through the review section and fix any flagged issues before filing your return. And there you have it. That's how you file unemployment taxes in TurboTax quickly and accurately. Thanks for watching and good luck with your tax filing this season.